to Vida. Last episode, we gave you macarons and some fashion photo shoot agenda. This episode, let us take you to another cozy experience that will color a fun, sweet, and exciting Season 2.
That's right. We are thrilled to share with you our adventures and misadventures, so hang in there. Stay tuned.
With that, we don't want you to wait any longer. This episode is a delectable journey, and it's about the art of enjoying what life has to offer.
Vida is all about loving and living life.
So journey with us as we make new discoveries and surprises.
Share stories ranging from fashion, food and wellness, travel, and architecture.
This is Mary, your fashion designer.
I'm Hazel, your super mom.
And Kathy, your on-the-go style sidekick.
This is Vida.
Well, we all know exercise is a good choice, but really, it's too common. Luckily, Hazel has found a new way to fight her stress through Make Your Own Havayanas. Be ready to be inspired and use those creative choices by the end of the segment. You would surely want to give it a try.
Hi, I'm Hazel, and I'm here today to accept the challenge of making my very own Havayanas. And I'm so thrilled because this will be my very first pair. So come and join me and let's see how this masterpiece turns out.
Since 2006, Havayanas has brought its followers the Make Your Own Havayanas culture of creativity and self-expression. As the brand celebrates their 50th anniversary this year, I'm glad to be part of the Make Your Own Havayanas tradition. The past years of Make Your Own Havayanas meant long lines in the mall and a huge crowd gathering and joining in the fun this year is what makes it more exciting. It kind of reminds me of art class in school, where you bring art materials for a particular day and make art projects together with classmates.
As I've said before, this is my very first pair, and there's a lot to choose from. Maybe I'll choose red because it brings in good luck, or maybe black because it will pair with anything, or maybe white for purity. I really don't know. But I have to go around and see what I want at the end of the day. Okay, the fun part. Now I get to choose my very own Havayanas. So Astrid, what do we do first? We first choose the sole.
Yes, the color that you want.
The color that I want.
But
I want
bit of this.
I want to see the slim and the top, the difference. Can you show me?
Then goes the moment of indecision. You know that feeling when you are faced with numerous options that you don't know which one to pick anymore. Make Your Own Havayanas gives you too many options that you have this inner battle of, oh, this color is nice, but that color suits me more. From the straps to the soles, as well as the personalized pins you can choose from, you can already get your own kind of fun. There's always this sense of independence and fulfillment when you get to decide for yourself and follow what you want. It's also a great feeling when you choose between what colors to pick for the sole and even the straps, because it's not always that you follow what your favorite color is. You also get to note whether the color suits you when you wear it or not. And come to think of it, at that very moment, that's your only problem in the world. For a moment in your life, you get to pause from the work, from the family pressures, from everything. All I care about right here, right now, is what I'm about to create.
4 pins.
That's
Then,
it? Or you want...
no, maybe you could put the 4 pins and then I decide if I want more.
Okay.
I've decided to get an H, and the heart means H. Hazel loves my husband Jerry and my daughter Valerie.
Okay. Which goes first?
So at this exact moment of deciding which kind of strap and what color of the sole do I want, I forget about being a mother, a wife, a career woman. I'm just a carefree soul trying to make my own Havayanas. Events like this make you stop and appreciate every little thing that has become part of your life. Creating your own Havaianas can be related to the art of decision making. The choices you pick reflect what end product you come to be. So no matter how other people say flip-flops are outdated at this time of the year, what you believe in is what counts. Wearing flip-flops despite the rain? Who are they to question your fashion choices? Summer is just a state of mind. Making my own Havaianas is a worthwhile experience.
That was a delightful experience. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun as much as I did. Now I have this as my statement of style. I'm Hazel. See you next time.